Hello friends, today I'll show you how to use the Mosaic agent orchestration library from Jigjoy.io to call different AI agents in parallel and judge who gets the best output. So this time we'll be putting up GPT 5.1 against Claude Sonnet 4.5 on the same task. And the first thing we want to do is make this message. This is basically a system prompt for the agent that's telling it who it is and what its job is. And after that we need to create a simple agent configuration where we pass in this message and pick the model. So as I said, we'll be putting GPT 5.1 against Sonnet 4.5. And we're not even gonna do Gemini because Gemini is absolute trash. I'm just kidding, we don't support Gemini yet, that feature is coming soon. So anyway, what we want to do next is we're going to create our agent instances and we're going to define the task that they're going to work on. It's a pretty simple task, and after we've done that we're going to call them both in parallel to work on the same task. And the thing I want to do here is, like, I want to see which one outputs the least words in the first round, so because I want to save my money on tokens. So I'll quickly run it, and this will take a couple of seconds because LLMs are too fast nowadays for these kind of simple tasks. Okay, GPT has 182 words, Claude has 142. I'm not really sure like which one is better yet, so I wanna see the actual output so we can see who wins. So I quickly uncomment this one and I'll comment this one because we don't need it anymore. Save and rerun, and let's see what the actual output of the agents is. Okay, so for GPT it made like a 5 bullet point quick comparison, blah blah blah, must be compiled, and typical stuff. In short, gave a summary. Okay, Claude pretty much did the same thing, but it gave a summary, but it also gave examples. So Claude wins here in my book. Comment "you're absolutely right!" exclamation mark if you agree. So that's pretty much for this video. This thing is a pretty simple example of how parallel agents work, but this becomes especially powerful when combined with tool calling and our autonomous workflows feature, which we'll be talking about in the upcoming videos. So make sure to follow us and check out all of our links, which will be in the description, and until next time, enjoy.